Welcome to today's explainer. Okay, let's dive right into this, because in complex operations, there is this almost invisible line that separates a highly profitable quarter from a complete logistical nightmare. Today, we're looking at tracking success and BI KPIs, specifically how business intelligence holds that line by tracking the exact metrics that dictate your success. We aren't here to talk about generic data collection. No way. If you're managing a massive supply chain or a bustling factory floor, you already know that every second, and I mean every single cent, counts. The margin for error is practically zero. What separates the industry leaders from the rest of the pack is their ability to leverage BI to cut through the absolute noise of millions of daily data points and zero in on what actually drives performance. We are going to explore exactly which numbers hold the key to this operational supremacy.
So that brings us to the big question. What KPIs matter most in logistics and production? Out of all the noise and the data points generated every single second across your facilities, which specific metrics actually matter? BI doesn't just hoard data. It's like a gold miner sifting through dirt to find the vital pulse of your operations. You know, it is incredibly easy to get bogged down tracking vanity metrics. Sure, they look great on a chart, but they tell you absolutely nothing about your actual operational health. True business intelligence requires ruthless prioritization. You have to ask yourself, if you could only look at a handful of numbers to understand the health of the whole shebang, your entire supply chain and manufacturing pipeline, what would they be? Let's unpack the highly specific operational indicators that organizations commonly track to guarantee they are moving the needle in the right direction.
All right, let's start out on the road. When we look at logistics, BI allows organizations to track some absolutely critical factors in real time. We are talking about delivery time, cost per mile, and order accuracy. But why do these specific numbers hold so much weight? Well, let's take cost per mile as an example. Imagine a scenario where fuel prices just spike overnight, or maybe a major route is suddenly hit with severe traffic delays. If you aren't monitoring your cost per mile right then and there, your profit margins on those shipments could literally evaporate before the trucks even reach their destination, and by the time you find out, the quarter's already ruined. But with BI continuously tracking this metric, a sudden jump instantly triggers an alert. You can immediately reroute drivers, adjust delivery schedules, or shift load balances to mitigate that cost. Delivery time and order accuracy work the exact same way. If an order is inaccurate, it doesn't just mean a return. It means double the shipping cost, lost warehouse labor, and a severely damaged client relationship. Tracking these specific metrics gives decision-makers a clear, minute-by-minute picture of how efficiently goods are moving.
Now, what's really interesting about this next shift in focus is how everything changes when we step off the loading dock and onto the factory floor. Here, BI turns its attention to internal health. We're tracking production rates, machine efficiency, production throughput, and defect rates. Catching even a fractional increase in defect rates early, that can literally save thousands of units from being scrapped. Think about the massive domino effect of a machine just slowly vibrating out of alignment. Without BI, you might run that machine for a full 12-hour shift, producing 10,000 parts that are all going to fail quality control later. That is a devastating loss of raw material, energy, and labor time. But when you are closely monitoring machine efficiency and defect rates, that slight deviation is flagged immediately. A floor manager can pause the line, recalibrate the machine in 10 minutes, and prevent a massive headache. Monitoring production throughput allows you to see exactly how much product is successfully making it through the entire life cycle, giving you the power to identify and eliminate the exact choke point, slowing down your overall output.
When we put these environments side by side, on the road with delivery times versus on the floor with machine efficiency, you can truly see the expansive scope of what these metrics cover. Tracking these distinct environments together eliminates those traditional dangerous silos that always seem to plague large organizations. You aren't just looking at isolated departments anymore. You are giving executives a god's-eye view of the entire supply chain. Think about it. If your production throughput suddenly spikes because of increased machine efficiency, but your logistics team isn't prepared with the necessary fleet capacity to handle that volume, you are going to end up with a warehouse completely overflowing with unshipped product. By simultaneously evaluating both the factory floor and the open road, BI performance monitoring ensures your internal manufacturing output is perfectly synchronized with your external delivery capabilities. It covers the full unbroken journey from raw material all the way to final delivery.
So the crucial point is identifying areas that need improvement to ensure business goals are met. How does rigorously tracking these exact numbers guarantee that your overarching business goals are met? It's a really fair question, because tracking just for the sake of tracking, that's a massive waste of resources. The true significance of these KPIs lies in their power to identify highly specific areas that need immediate improvement. Are your delivery times lagging because of a specific external carrier, or is it an internal warehouse loading issue? Are your defect rates spiking on a Tuesday shift because of a bad material batch or a human calibration error? Without tracking these exact KPIs, you are just guessing. You're throwing money at problems in the dark. The significance of monitoring this data is that it transforms your operation from reactive to proactive. It takes the total guesswork out of leadership. You use this data to aggressively spot inefficiencies, eliminate unnecessary waste, and ensure every single moving part of your business is actively contributing to your bottom line.
And here is where we see the real-world operational impact. These KPIs, they aren't just passive, historical numbers sitting idly on a spreadsheet that you review at the end of the month. Not at all. They actively power real-time dashboards showing production progress. They identify delays in the logistics pipeline, and they improve your overall operational efficiency. Picture a control room where a BI dashboard suddenly lights up red because it has identified an unexpected delay in the logistics pipeline. Perhaps a major weather event is ground shipping to a halt in a key region. Because that KPI is tracking delivery times in real time, the logistics team can instantly pivot. They can reroute shipments, expedite alternative freight, and proactively notify critical clients before those clients even realize there is an issue. This active monitoring powers dashboards that show immediate progress and active bottlenecks. Ultimately, systematically tracking these metrics improves your efficiency, ensuring that a delay on the road or a hiccup on the floor never compromises your ultimate targets.
So as we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with this final critical thought. Are your KPIs reflecting your true operational efficiency, or are they just vanity metrics making everyone feel good while the ship quietly takes on water? You really have to take a hard look at the numbers your organization prioritizes every single morning. If you aren't tracking the right, actionable metrics across both the complexities of logistics and the rigors of production, you are inherently missing the full picture. The organizations that absolutely dominate their industries are the ones relentlessly interrogating their data to find those hidden margins of improvement. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive into BI performance monitoring. Keep evaluating those numbers and keep interrogating your data.